Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and we've got a couple of different items to show with you today. Not diamond painting related, but we buy other stuff anyway, don't we? Sort of. So we've got a couple of different things here. I'm going to start with the lights first. So these were sent to me as sort of a set of outdoor lights. From what my hubby has said, who knows a bit about electrics, he's not an electrician, but he does know a bit about electrics. The IP rating that it states they are, you may need to take with a pinch of salt. But if you have a dry day, or if you're going to use these inside, then they are gorgeous lights. You do get the packaging for them. I'm trying to find the best way to sort of get a couple out because they're not put in order, because they're all bunched together and I don't want to break any bulbs. But it's a string set, so that's the end. In fact, let me see if I can untie this. They do have, you know, the relevant CE checks and things like that, but let's see if I can get a few of them just to show you the distance between each one so that you can see. There we go. So the distance between each one is about 30 centimetres ish, just a little bit short of 30 centimetres. They do come with a UK plug, so it's the UK link that I'll be providing to you, but you can always search for it on the likes of Amazon.com to get maybe a US plug or whatever country plug it is that you need. But say there's about 30 centimetres between each one. You do get little clips, so if you are clipping them on something, or maybe you want to use some sort of I'm trying to think what's the best thing to sort of clip them against. They're not huge clips. You could, I don't think you could clip it on a fence panel, but maybe if you did have some sort of loop system that you could clip it onto, you do get that, or you could use that to then tie something round to then tie it up. But they are LED bulbs, so they don't get anywhere near as hot. It does come with little foam pockets so that you can pop each bulb in a pocket, and you do get spares. So you do get spares of the LED bulbs, and they are, does it say? 1 watt, 230 volts is the bulbs themselves. It does say it's for indoor and outdoor use, but as I say, there is a little bit of question over how waterproof they are. I'm trying to see if it gives me any more information. No, it doesn't give me any more information about them on the box itself, but you do get care instructions. So if you are using them outside, you do need to make sure that you use them with a ground fault circuit, and they do suggest that you put them or attach them to something solid, of course, because you don't want them all to fall down, because that will smash the bulbs. But you do get quite a few extras should anything happen, should any bulbs blow. But yeah, I just thought they were so pretty, and I was hoping to use them outside, but because of the IP rating, we may have to see until we've got something covering them up, or covering up the area. It may not be suitable. You can also Oh, that's a connector socket. So you can actually connect them to another set of bulbs so that you can have them going longer and longer and longer. So that is item number 1, which I say a little bit different. They do have a Christmas theme to them, but I think lights, especially in the UK, are used more in the summer anyway. And the second one, I'm rather excited about these. Let me see if I can get in them. I think these are going to be very well used. So it's a set of 3. And these are refrigerator storage containers, or containers for your fridge is what they are. These will more than likely, will definitely use the 2 smaller ones for fruit. May use the bigger one. We actually get Hello Fresh as sort of our meal orders each week. And I think the bigger container may be handy. This one may be handy to contain those. But you get a basket so you can wash your fruit, your veg, and you can always pop them straight in. You do get drainage holes in the bottom, so you can take these bungs out so that you can give your fruit and veg a really good wash. And then you do get these vents on the top, so you keep them open for fruit and then closed for veg. I'm sure it is that way around, open or closed. It does tell me. Where is it? I'm sure it tells you which way round to do it. And now I can't see it, so maybe it's just something that I know. Open for fruit, closed for veg. So that is container number 1. There we go. Get on. There we go. So 1 big container, and then you get, oh, you actually get a divider as well for that one. I was trying to work out what that was then. So you can divide that into 2. Does it open up as well? It opens up as well, though I don't think it does anything when it opens up. But you've got a divider so that you can get 2 different lots of veg in that one if you want. And then we've got a medium one with a divider if you do want to separate 2 lots of fruit or veg. And then last but not least, you get a little one. This one doesn't come with a divider, but you still get your little soaking basket, or of course you could just use them like this. But I know these 2 will definitely get used. We often have quite a few blueberries, strawberries, things like that in the fridge. My daughter takes a lot for her packed lunches, so it'll be extremely handy to be able to have it all washed and prepped so she can just grab what she wants and pop them in her little lunchbox, little round Tupperwares. I still call them Tupperware. They're not actually Tupperware. They're not actually branded. But her little round pots that fit into her lunchbox. She can just grab however many she wants, and they're all pre-washed, pre-done. No messing about. Can't be doing with messing about in the AM. It does not work very well at all. So yeah, these are going to go and get a wash. They are BPA free, and they are dishwasher safe. They're not microwave safe though, but they are dishwasher safe, which is good. I wanted to check that because that's where these are headed to before they go into the fridge. Always ideal to give them a good wash first. But yeah, I'll pop the links down below to the set of these containers, and of course the lights if you maybe want to decorate inside or outside. Just be careful outside, just based on, say, what I've been informed and some of the reviews that I've read. Just make sure that you know the power that you're using is safe for outside, and just check that it is watertight before you put them up. I don't want anybody to have any problems at all, but they will definitely be put into use, even if it's just some nice party lights strung across the conservatory. But yeah, I'll pop links to them both down below. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.